Hello and welcome. In this lecture, I will explain what a while loop is. The while loop is used to execute a block of code as long as the specified condition is true. Let's take a look at the syntax for a while loop. So this is what the syntax looks like. So you start with the name while, and then this is where you specify the condition to be true inside the parentheses. So as long as the condition here is true, the block of code here between the curly braces will continue to execute until this condition here is no longer true. So let me explain and illustrate using an example. So here I've got some examples here inside my PHP code. So I'm just going to indent this a little bit so you can see it a bit more. All right, so I've got a variable called x and I've set it to equals to 7. So here I'm saying while the variable x is less than or equals to 14, I want this block of code to execute. It will execute the number is followed by the variable. So what it will do, it will start with 7 and then there'll be a break and it will increase it each time. So this will keep going around in circle. It will execute, go back and execute again until this is more than 14. Once this gets to 14, then the condition is no longer true. The code will stop executing. So here you can see the code will continue to run as long as x is less than or equals to 14. So you can see here it goes through the loop once and it displays the first number, which is the actual original variable. This plus plus means every time the loop executes, it will increase it by 1. So the loop, this block of code here will automatically keep running until this condition here is no longer true. You can see here it stops at 14 because the code say the while loop saying it wants this block of code to keep running until the condition here is no longer true. You can see here it stops at 14 because it says it's got to be less than or equals to 14. So that's basically how a while loop works. In this lecture, I illustrated how a while loop works. A while loop continues to execute a block of code as long as the specified condition is true. The code stops running when the condition set is no longer true. That's it for this lecture. Thank you for watching and bye for now.